evento tras evento, carnaval tras carnaval, nós está com full ativo na mi payame nos hermana Isla San Marta, so esta parte de isla ng Caribe holandês. Para mim nada rumang dame, so.
No, ito bom. Ito bom. But the life ito walk followable. St. Martin to experience is just an experience that you know, we got the soca and all about that, how they celebrate their stuff. Pero Rex, nos vai ne comienzo agora. Bayega, isa kita po primeira experiência em St. Martin?
No, maide den passado, maide vai toevallig com Claudius op je aan atrás. Teve uma comissão novo. Pero para carnaval, sim, está também primeira experiência.
All right. So, it's the first experience of carnival season in St. Martin that Rex Life just experienced. I had a great time. Had an amazing time. Ba conocer más personas, hopi link-ups, kubo mes ora aqui. So, by that means that you got a lot of friends right now. You got a lot of connections right now in St. Martin. So, how was that experience for you?
Wow, that experience was crazy for me. Each organizer of each event, we met with them, and right now we are connected completely with them. They are telling me what is coming up. You know, the experience and the welcoming of all those guys is excellent for me.
You had an interview like 2 days ago with 2 radio stations.
Exactly.
But also you were connected to be one of those guys, and lucky guys, because to be honest, I didn't see anybody else from the medias and all stuff to be on stage while we had some big artists, huge international artists on stage.
Huge.
So you had this opportunity, and how was the experience for you to be part of it and being in a place that's not your place?
Exactly.
You know, and they let you feel like this is your home.
Yes. At first, you know, the expectations are like very big. It's not my country. I don't know what to expect. But when I started to take the pictures, and everybody's happy, and there was a lot of Arubians, Bonaireans, and people from Curacao. I felt immediately like at home.
You felt home?
At home, yes.
Yeah.
I felt at home right away.
The experience about connections with people that, like, for example, I'm going to some place that I never met everybody, like anybody like known, like I know that my friend is over there, he lives there, or maybe I have somebody that I met in Aruba, but they're there right now. But it was an experience for you to just go and do your stuff for your company.
Exactly.
And now you have a connection with more islands.
Exactly like that.
And they call you the key.
Exactly. Right now, yeah, guys, thank you. I just want to connect. That's the only my purpose. I think my purpose in life when I started taking the pictures again. I think my main purpose now in life is to connect all the islands. So that's why we are doing like a rebranding of our company. Basically the rebranding is easy because normally everybody knows I have 1 year doing this again. And we went to Bonaire, we went to Curacao, we went to Holland, and all the stuff represent Aruba.
Yeah.
With my name, Rex Aruba.
Yeah.
All the time behind my back was a big logo telling I'm from Aruba.
Yes.
And the people of Bonaire say, but the Aruba of the Curacao, Jaruba. Everybody's Aruba. I was representing Aruba all over the place.
But they know you that you're from Aruba.
Exactly, that's they know I'm from Aruba. But the times are passing, and
the time has changed.
The time has changed,
and the
time is now.
Yeah, and you know what? The branding for me, and I tell you to be honest, for me it's in its place. Why? Because you know you go all around the world. Where you from? You're from Aruba.
Exactly.
They already, you got a brand. They already know that Rex is from Aruba.
Exactly, they
And
already
now
know.
You want to expand your business, and this is perfect. The name right now you got that you want to put right now, and you're presenting to the people right now, Rex Live. It, for me, it's perfect.
It's basically because, for example, we have clients in Curacao, and we want to expand, have more clients outside Aruba.
Okay.
We have clients in Aruba. Thank you all my partners, because you are my partners, and yeah, I'm getting partners from other places. That's the way to go right now. You have the internet and the social media that you can expand.
No, but you're something else, my friend. Because one time in a minute you're in Aruba, and the next time you're on a plane, and next time you're in St. Martin. Just like a few days ago, I was like, "Oh, this guy is okay." Rex is in Rex is in St. Martin. All right. To be honest, I never went to St. Martin.
All right.
So next year will be my first time experience. We're
For
going.
sure.
I heard already that few of my colleagues from here, Cool FM, we are gathering to go for the experience of next year. But this year we couldn't go.
Next year gonna be a big year in St. Martin Carnival.
I know,
because
55.
it's gonna be the 55
Yeah.
edition. Everybody needs to go. Actually, we partner up with.
Let me teach you something, my friend.
Tell
Let me
me,
teach
tell
you
me.
something. It's really nice to. I just learned something that for every carnival season and a year you want to celebrate, you have to take 17 years from our carnival, because right now we're 71.
Exactly.
Next year is 72. But if you took the 17 years, so all those years that change, just take 17 years out, and you'll be seeing that this is the amount of years they're celebrating. What is the year precise that they're celebrating? So it's really nice to be part and to know one of the history of the carnival season of St. Martin. And for me, it's really crazy that it's so nice that people go out, and for me it was really nice to see that they accept you.
Thank you.
Because you're doing something that most of the people don't do. Just go there and take pictures. It's not the same of going live and keep the people posted every 5 minutes or 10 minutes. That's totally another world, totally another level of medias that give you, okay, the day after this was the day one. But no, Rex is going, and that's why the name Rex Life is just right on time.
And it was not only the carnival alone, no?
No.
We went a little bit of traveling and doing a little bit of tourist thing, and we were at different places. We went to the French side. I was in the Dutch side. We are all over the place. We went, for example, to the like the Peak Paradis is the highest peak of St. Martin.
Okay.
Where you see the paradise.
Wow.
Yeah,
How was the experience?
The experience was nice. We see some monkeys and everything. It was crazy, and the sea is crazy.
Yeah.
I experienced also the place that going to that land in the airport, or they going from the airport. It was crazy too, and you feel the jet fuel and everything. It's crazy. But
So-
I experienced not only the carnival, but
How was it with the real artists, the international artists on stage? You had
we have a lot of artists. We had the
Jailing?
Jailing.
How was it?
Was great, a great performance. Jailing La Mas Viral.
Yeah.
It was over there, and because it was different nights. I can start when I reach.
Okay.
When I reach, the night before, the morning before, was the Juve. Everybody.
You went to Juve?
No, I reached late. When Air didn't want me to come inside.
Okay.
No, but I was in standby.
Okay.
I didn't reach. Everybody tell me, yeah, you miss Juve. That's the best thing in in St. Martin Carnival. But guys, let me tell you, everything you guys do is the best. Not only the Juve, but every event, every things, the food, and all the booths are crazy good.
Okay, you're talking about the food, right? Let me ask you something. Which is just give me the specific food that you really fall in love with St. Martin food. The church chicken?
The jerk chicken was good, but there was a stand called the Bad Boys.
Yeah.
And they had like some satay, chicken satays, and woo, it's like
So this
we want next one and next one and next one.
You want to repeat it?
You want to repeat it
How
all
many
the time,
times?
all the times, and it was crazy. And also the shots in every booth. They had my boy Cleon. He had like a ice cream shot.
Mm-hmm.
Woo, crazy! You feel the heat of the shot, but afterwards you feel the ice cream shot coming
Something
behind
different.
you. Something different, and everybody in those booths came with something different. For example, there was one night I think at the Caribbean Flag Fest.
Yes.
I ate like a chicken breaded chicken wings with but it was in a cup.
Okay.
I had like a cup, and on top of the cup was like the food. I was drinking and eating at the same time with one hand.
With one hand.
It was
Okay.
crazy, and everybody
like
is
Frisbees.
putting in the table over
Yeah.
there in the booths.
Yeah.
Everybody putting in the table new things to eat.
But did you eat
and new
peanut sauce over
experience
there?
to eat. Sorry.
You ate the peanut sauce?
A lot of peanut sauce. It was there's several cultures inside that carnival village.
Yeah.
And it's crazy. Everybody's in there. For example, when we were everybody's meeting each other in the
Okay.
afternoon.
All right.
Because every day every artist had like the sound check.
Yeah.
And the carnival village over there full packed with people
How many,
eating.
we're talking about how many people?
A lot. There was like I think 70 to 80 booths
Okay.
inside the
That's a
carnival
lot.
village.
It's a lot, yeah.
It's a lot of food to go through. You know?
Okay.
And I think I went through various of them.
All right. Well, the experience is really nice. So this carnival season, the celebration in St. Martin just was another level for you guys. So for the first time experience,
My
carnival.
first time experience, I can say like I have like a schedule that I did, and guys, was like a lot of things doing at once, but we are putting the pictures. Right now we are by extra tight entertainment. We have the let me see, let me read a little bit, guys. Let me see. And the extra tight, it was Night of the Hitmakers.
Okay.
That was the night that Gian plays.
Okay.
Gian also did a good job with Kai of Ex Karami.
Mm-hmm.
The guy break down the all
He mashed up the place.
He mashed up the place completely.
All right.
My boy Kai. Then it was Burning Flames at the same night.
Burning Flames?
Burning Flames.
Oh. So kalele. Yeah, lele.
Nice. Well, it was a great night, but my first night when I came from the airport, I eat and I went to sound check with the guys of the Bouillon, and that was other experience for me because Bouillon is something for me. I don't know anybody out there, but for me it's a new thing.
No. Bouillon.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Bouillon exists a long time, but for me it was a new experience that hear the music Bouillon, and I got lock.
Yeah.
Not a love. I got locked on those
rhythms.
I got locked with those music and love it. He loved to my boy Hollywood over there. That was a crazy guy, but good guy, you know.
No, but Rex, you know the good part is that you brought stuff for us, like people that follow you and people that link with you. You brought something for us that people that couldn't imagine how is the season, how is the celebration, and
Exactly,
for
exactly.
St. Martin.
Because it's a new completely thing.
Yeah.
It's because they celebrate a different way than us, the Carnival of Aruba.
Mhm.
They celebrate it completely different because they have a lot of nationalities. And they need to cater all those nationalities.
Okay.
For example, like I told you before, the first night was like a bouillon night. The second night was roots and reggae rhythms concert.
Was good?
It was a great concert.
You met who? Who you met?
I don't remember. I don't remember the artists right now, but there was a lot of artists of reggae over there. Afterwards, I'm gonna tell you.
Okay,
I don't
okay.
remember, but it was artists that in my time I heard it already, and just from the beginning, from 8 o'clock, because they start
Early.
at the time,
At the time.
and they
On time,
finish.
yeah, that's fine.
And they finish because everything is in timing.
Schedule.
A schedule.
Okay.
They do
So we're talking about the same stage, but different.
the same Carnival Village.
Okay.
The meeting point for St. Martin, everything is the Carnival Village.
Okay.
Everything that they do is the
Okay.
Carnival Village, except the Carnival Parade.
Okay.
Because the Carnival Parade it starts on the streets. Don't remember the streets, guys. Remember, I'm not
No,
from
but
there.
it's your first time. It's your
Yeah,
first time.
it's my first time. Sorry,
I mean,
guys.
in the next
sorry.
year, you're gonna be like, hey, 101, we're going this way,
but,
you know?
But my friend told me
Yeah.
the last days I was driving without GPS, without nothing. Hey, you know this place? Yeah, I'm driving like normal, you know.
Yeah.
but-
You go with the flow.
I went to the flow over there. The third night that I went,
Yeah.
I think, let me see, let me tell you. It was Concert X. My
Okay.
boy King James
Okay.
had a completely X concert. It's like a whole concert of him with his latest hits with a lot of friends.
Okay.
Friends, I mean that he put a show with different artists
Yeah.
that
It's like a
featuring
just-
with him
yeah.
actually.
Yeah.
It was also a great
Great
concert.
experience. Okay.
Saludos pa me boy King James.
King James.
He met with 101 also. The guy of Kai also met with Gion.
Gian.
He met with him and Kai and also I think King James. They're gonna do like a mixture with Gion. Gion did a good job at those nights, you know. And also let me tell you. And after the concert acts of King James concert, it had the Noche Latina. And the Noche Latina had a lot of artists. And Jailin Lamas Viral was like the
main.
act. And
How was the reaction when she went on stage and say, hey?
everybody went crazy, like whoa! It was nice. It was nice.
And for you to be close to that lady because she got she got a big booty already.
I was close.
I can imagine how she was dancing on those chairs, and I was like,
nice.
whoa.
I met with the photographer of Jailin,
Uh-huh.
and I show the photographer some pictures, and they like it. They took my contacts and those things, you know,
Nice.
because that's for me is the biggest purpose to get contact
Connection.
with everybody. Yeah, connection.
To be connected with everybody.
With connection, you make everything happen. You know, guys.
Yeah, true.
And afterward was the that day was the let me see the Noche Latina, and then the day after the Noche Latina was the Junior and Grand Carnival Parade. It was a long walk for me because it was like the first time. And I think it began like in a stadium, in a baseball stadium, I think, and went through till the Carnival Village.
Okay.
I think I covered all the whole route.
Okay.
I covered the whole route, all the parades and all the groups and all the trailers and everything I covered. I still need to put like some videos and those things, but all the pictures are online, guys.
Okay.
the people that in St. Martin that is hearing me right now on Cool FM.
Shout out to the people from St. Martin. We got
shout out
to the people from Stacia. We got a lot of people from Grenada, all the people from Guyana too. So everybody was just there to enjoy the carnival season. You know, it's something different. But to be honest, right now we are really looking forward to be part of it next year. This year it was so difficult because on the same dates. We're talking about that on the same dates and the May 1st coming up. We used to and we have to be at Savaneta with the Marineers.
Yes, the Marineers.
So
yes.
It's something that we cannot just get away from that and just don't do it because we go into the season. But I know the season has changed for next year. We will be right there. 101, Rex, Alex,
nice.
a few more colleagues will be part of the carnival celebration in St. Martin. So it's nice. Rex, for the branding, talking about a little bit of the branding from you.
Let me go shortly to the festivities because I want so the people can understand what activities we are in St. Martin.
Mm-hmm.
After the parades was 2 days parades.
Okay.
Then they had the night of the hit makers. The Caribbean Flag Fest was crazy. Everybody of and every nationality was wearing their flag on top, a small flag, big flag, bigger flags, and it was crazy. And the concerts and the artists that was over there was crazy. A very good artist. And the people went crazy. Afterwards, the Caribbean Fest was the Bacchanal Sunday. It was like a wet fest, literally wet fest because they had like hose, big hose that threw everybody with water. And
did they paint you?
No, escape every time. Escape.
Because they throw in colors,
Yeah, we know. I was escaping everything actually, but I did my job, but escaping. But nice, and the closing of the burning of the Momo was also nice. They did like a small documentary of the boots. Because the boots is one of the heart of the Carnival Village. Mm-hmm. Because the people go from in the day until the after 12, the whole day over there. It's a community that comes together to enjoy, to eat food, and celebrate Carnival.
All right. So the experience about St. Martin is just out of this world. Talking about Rex live right now.
Yes.
Tell me a little bit about the branding because you changed your name because you want to expand, and that's one of the biggest reasons right now. So right now it's not Rex Aruba anymore. When it's gonna be changed officially?
Look, guys, we partner up with some guys over there, big guys. We are partnered up with Ultimate Experience and with Julian's promo. Actually, those guys we partner up together, and we are making we're making a party. I think in July. I don't know when yet. Maybe in the mid or in the.
So you're going back to the St. Martin very soon?
No. We gonna make the party here in Aruba.
Okay.
The thing is that it's a catch because we're gonna give away one St. Martin full experience Carnival edition for one from one person, and the people that coming in this party is gonna be wild. It's gonna be wild, guys, because you can one person can win a one-time Carnival experience. Everything's covered. And with groups, with dress, and with flights and hotels and everything, actually.
Wow! So you get a package.
You got a package.
Complete package. So,
and we're gonna talk about more, and the people gonna talk about more about the experience that we want to bring more people over there in St. Martin. Also, in St. Martin Carnival to celebrate the 55 edition. Also,
it's gonna be big. It's gonna be huge.
It's gonna be huge.
Definitely. That's why we're heading to do. So we got the colleagues ready. So that means that let me see if I got it right. So that means in July, your colleagues are going to do something big here.
Exactly.
And those people.
And that party is simultaneously is my branding party.
It's your branding party.
Yes,
so
it's my rebranding party.
Okay.
My official rebranding party.
So that means the people that goes there, the people that goes for the party there
in Aruba,
will be having a chance to win one-time experience at St. Martin with the carnival season, though.
Exactly.
Everything paid.
Everything paid.
Covered.
One person.
All right.
And also the people to want to come to join us also. We're gonna give you all the information of that also at that party. Everybody come. We're gonna do a big thing in St. Martin, represent Aruba. But the people, I tell the people of Bonaire and Corso, I want to invite you guys to St. Martin Carnival 55. Just come and enjoy the best of the best artists, the best concerts, the best everything.
Wow.
And I have the dates for the precise dates to so you guys can join us. Save the date, guys. It's gonna be an experience in Martin Carnival with Ultimate Experience Production and Julius Promo. The dates will be at the 24th of April until May 2, 2026.
Okay. This is big.
It's big.
It's huge. Rex Live is on. Get ready. Rex Aruba /live because the branding will be official taking place at the party. So get ready. It's gonna be big. Rex, once again, thank you for coming right here.
No, thanks again, 101. Thank you again, Cool FM. You guys are my family. I don't have your same blood, but I feel like we are the same blood, you know?
Yeah, definitely. So it's nice. It's nice to be part of it. Once again, Rex Aruba /live because very soon.
We gotta Aruba, no está bem queda Rex Aruba paboso. Pa sobra Aruba parte de mi corazón. Kinama kumisa, imita hindi ko ta babisa manera ko si makumisão camina, mita misa di una mita. E mina também kami say panada.
Nada
Mita kami say Aruba mi estima po sa mundo.
Nice. Rex Aruba /live. Segmento ko pronto. E branding dat bem official. Ta launch e evento na jullie. Preparado.
Dabei tem informação riba nos page. Pronto. E turhene preparar para tremendo experiência sobre não somente nós também dando informação, não somente nós também giveaway one time experience que não, pero nós vai vir com vários artistas de afo. E esse aí você fica pendiente desse aí, guys.
E automaticamente na Cool FM.
Automaticamente que na Cool FM. Vou gravar cá, pues. Claro.
Vamos lá. Nós estamos live conosco aqui, feliz tarde. Acabei de escutar tudo em highlight com os 5 horas, também lá conosco aqui. 4:30 acaba. It's already 4:30. 4:30. Hey, big up. Hey, nós vamos saludo aqui nada, Vamos saludos Rex, vamos Franzel também saludo babo.
Master.
Eu vejo a Franzel tá, eu visto com Rex, Jenny from the block. E não tô ouvindo de onde ela vem. Hey, Francis, la camisa quiero tomar un saludo aquí. Send a shout out to everybody who's logged on to 98.9 Cool FM. Just the way you want it. Jorgito en la casa. Dímelo, Jorge. George. Un saludito para Caterine, Caterine en la casa con nosotros. Nos está viendo, So, shout out to everybody. Big up to everybody who's logged on to 98.9 right here on Thursday. It's a throwback, supposed to be throwback. We're not going to play any throwback anymore.
Yeah, no está poco no te tirar throwback.
Oh no.
Otsima.
Ya tú sabes, saludos para la otro, la beba. Oye.
La beba.